Alright, what we've done now is we've taken the first row of tiles off just to expose the flashings, and we'll have a look and see what's happening here. We'll take this flashing off, take it away. You can see it doesn't look that bad. We'll take this flashing away, pull that away, and as you'll see there's some moisture, and there you'll see a big rust area. As we come around on this side, you'll see another area where it's all rusted away, so potentially there's water going into there. Now what's surprising is that a lot of water is coming in from here, and there's a lead flashing sitting on top of the zinc-aluminum roof, and that's two dissimilar metals reacting with one another. And let's see what's happening underneath. We'll just take this away. Wow! So what you see in here is a huge corrosion problem. And the reason is because you've got a piece of lead sitting on top a zinc-aluminum metal roof. And this is exactly what happens when you have dissimilar metals against one another. You get advanced corrosion, and in this case it looks pretty bad. So that's what can happen if you don't quite understand the importance of mixing metals, especially lead with zinc-aluminum. That's in our experience a very common problem, and it's an area where a lot of people don't pay sufficient attention to. So this is what our problem is, and we found where the leak is coming from. So what we're going to do next is look at how we're going to fix this leak.